Hey guys, I'm Sarah and this is my beehive. Now, for those who've been following my beehive updates, a bit of interesting stuff has happened. Firstly we got our AFB annual inspection done, which was all good, we passed, yay. For those wondering, I'm actually using Clint's bee suit at the moment, hence why I'm using a bee suit that's a bit big on me, because over the winter we actually had mice eat through the hood of my bee suit, so it currently has no face protection. Might get me a new hood for my one for Christmas. But anyway, last time we did the check, I think I brought the camera, we might have seen there was a whole heap of queen cells and we couldn't find a queen, so we thought, oh, maybe, and there didn't seem to be much in the way of larvae being laid, although there was quite a bit of brood. So I think we'd sort of only just lost our queen, and there was about 12 different queen cells. Now when the lady came to do the AFB check for us, the annual inspection, she managed to find the virgin queen, the one that had obviously, so what they do is they get a whole heap of queen cells, hatch a whole heap of queens, and they basically fight it out to be the reigning monarch. Who thinks that should happen in real life? Fight it out to be the queen. Anyway, so yes, the survivor was there. She had not gone on her mating flight. She was still a virgin. Just the size of her abdomen is apparently how you tell. So she should have by now, we've had plenty of nice days, she should have gone on her mating flight, done her thing. Let's not go into those details. But I'm hoping we're going to see some larvae and brood going on, because there was basically no brood when we came to do the inspection. So it's been a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed, we'll see what we find. They're certainly building on these new frames that we chucked in there earlier. I always find the symmetry amazing. See, that's all brand new stuff that they've built. This was pretty much a blank canvas and they've just built all that up. Right, we'll get into the business end.
Oh yeah, nice.
Hey buzz bees. So first frame there, got lots of pollen and nectar going on there. I can't see Queenie. There she is.
Where?
Can you see her?
Oh, should be on me.
Yeah, you be careful because you got no bee suit on. You can see Queenie. I can't really point at her because I'm holding the thing. Right there.
Don't you go, bee?
Huh? See? Right there.
Oh yeah.
Quite distinctive. And we have larvae, we have brood. She's doing her job. Yay, all hail the monarch. Yeah. Lots of... I won't shake the bees off that one, seeing as Queenie's there.
Why would you shake the bees off the
Oh, just to check how the brood's looking. This one. A wee shake off and you can see all the brood. There's some little larvae, heaps of larvae in fact. She has been busy.
There's no smoke whatsoever.
Busy girl.
Shall we like this?
You can if you want to. Oh, and on the other side, oh, heaps of them. Wherever there's gaps there's There's larvae she's been busy laying. Love it. Still got the Beaverall strips in there. They're not quite ready for changing out yet. That helps with mite control. Beautiful. There's still some old queen cells there, so I'm just go remove them. Not needed. Yeah, so again, there's no real brood or anything on this one, but there is some pollen and some nectar, so that's alright. She's just getting started again, so pretty happy with that. And that bright yellow stuff, that's all nice and new. Yes, they're making a bee chain. Hold the hive together. So there we go, nice little update there. Got to meet the new monarch, always nice, always a pleasure. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you next week, probably with another random recipe or something. Okay, bye.